If you're ready to start making money with AI and ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can get started making money with AI. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to give you not only AI tools and proof showing exactly what I'm doing. You're going to have access to the digital playbook, which you see right here, which includes done for you emails, done for you short form videos, a list of prompts that I use for creating short form content, a list of tools that we get paid to promote. All of this stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert. You don't have to worry about having a fancy computer, and you don't have to worry about really having any money to get started. All you have to do is use this checklist right here that I'm going to be giving you today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to start earning money online. Now, if you want all this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, and let's go ahead and dive into the video. So first thing you want to do is just head over to digitalplaybook.com and you will get taken to this screen where you can enter in first name, email. You get taken to this page right here, which is our community that hosts the digital playbook. 485 people are in here, and when you do join, you'll go to this section first right here and just go ahead and introduce yourself. This is where that you can get the digital playbook at, and there's a bunch of other really cool things in here. Members only videos, you can win free gifts. This is where I do my live streams. If you have any questions, you can do this right here. Chats, DM, bunch of really cool stuff. So go ahead and join this if you want access to everything. But let's go ahead and hop back into the checklist. So go into the checklist. We're going to go through this, but first I want to go over really what this framework is. So it's really a 5-step framework. First, you're going to get the checklist, and then we are going to select an AI tool. So the reason why we select an AI tool is all these tools that you can, all these AI tools right here, they have affiliate programs where you're able to get paid to promote them by driving traffic to their links, which I'm going to be talking about later. These two right here are pretty much essentials. Go High Level and Traffic ID. These are the top picks of tools that I would recommend signing up for. But honestly, all these tools right here, AI writing tools, AI video tools, image tools, audio tools, all these tools you're able to become an affiliate of. Let's just go ahead and take Go High Level for an example. Pretty much all these softwares or tools, if you scroll down to the very bottom, they will have a section that says become an affiliate or affiliate program. All you would do is become an affiliate, sign up, and then you would get a link that looks like this. This is the link that when someone clicks on it, signs up, then you'll get paid to promote. So let's just say, for an example, we're going to use Go High Level as the tool that we want to start promoting. So going back over to this checklist right here, we got the checklist, we're selecting the AI tools. Now it's time to replicate content. And I say replicate because you can either use the done for you videos that I have right here, or you can use a tool called Replicate, which is what I use to generate short form videos of myself or my AI clone. So if you want to learn how to create those, if you just go down to this part in the checklist, setting up your avatar, there's a YouTube tutorial, and this is how you get to replicate. And if you, pretty much everything is going through the checklist, and it will get you started and set up as quick as possible. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for Go High Level. You need to sign up for this tool because this is what allows you to send emails, create websites, and really, like it says right here, it's an all-in-one platform. Now, you don't have to do any of this stuff as far as the softwares. You can do everything manually, but everything comes down to really three main things: time, energy, and money. So if you're looking to make money online, probably means you don't have a lot of money right now, but you have a lot of time and energy. So if you don't want to sign up for any of these tools, that means it's going to take more time and more energy to do the things and get everything set up. So it's not a necessity, but it does help with the systems and automations. So let's say you do sign up for the tool. We are going to get taken to a page that looks like this. This is the dashboard. Not going to have any numbers in here, but the three things or the three areas over here is marketing, automations, and sites that I'm going to be talking about today. The first one is, let's go into sites. And sites is where your funnels and websites are, but in this case, we are just going to be using the funnel section, and this is what my opt-in page looks like. It is super simple, tells them what they're going to get, and then boom, they put in their information, and they get taken to the product, service, whatever I am promoting at that time. And the reason I do this is because this right here takes them to an email sequence. which is I'm going to be talking about right now, an automation to where once that form gets triggered, they get put into an email automation where they get sent emails about, like I said, whatever tool or service product that I am promoting. Now, if you want all of this stuff that I'm showing you right now, my funnels, automations, if you go through the checklist, the very next step right here is get an account snapshot. And what that means is you get to import, or you have the ability to import all the automations, all the sites, funnels that I'm using directly into your account. So that helps you, again, take that next step as far as setting everything up super quickly. Going back in to the sequence right here, there is 60 emails right in this automation. That is a lot, but I put this in here so you guys don't have to worry about creating your own emails. Now, these emails are directed and written towards promoting Go High Level, but if you want to promote a different AI tool, just take the email that is in here, copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and tell it to rewrite this email, but promoting whichever tool that you have. So we have the checklist, we selected the AI tool, and we're starting to replicate content, and that is where we start sending traffic to your link. To create the content, all you need to do is, let's say you are doing just the easy way, where you take these videos, download them, and then we're gonna bring them into CapCut, so you're able to put them together and then use one of my prompts that I use for my short form content, which is top 3 websites. Here are websites, and what this does is it gives a little bit of value, not a lot though, since it's short form content, and it's pushing people to these domains that I have, which are directed to an opt-in page. So we have all these videos that you guys can start using and creating videos, and then we are able to create that short form content, and then what we're going to do is schedule it out on our marketing or social media planner. So as you can see, pretty much for the next 2 months, I have most of my content already planned out for short form, which takes a lot of time away, or gives me a lot of time back. As you can see, January is pretty much all filled out, and then we have February that is already pretty much all filled out, which is amazing. Now, you can do that yourself. You can hire a VA, but like I said, if you don't have that much money, time and energy are going to be the resources that you're going to need to use. So when you get into the social planner, you just need to go to settings right here and connect your different social media accounts. I have a couple, but if you're just starting off, just focus on the main 3, which is Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I think I put that right here. Yep, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook page. And in the members only video in the digital playbook group, I do show you like a manual way to start building an audience, which is through Facebook. But basically it just kind of talks about this acronym that my mentor taught me about, which is ACEs, which basically focuses on 4 things: attention, conversation, educate, and then sales. So this is what every business needs. Needs attention, and attention is the new currency. And if you're brand new, you're not going to have a lot of followers, a lot of attention, but if you start using this framework, you're going to be able to generate that a lot quicker than most people. So I'm actually not going to go over that real quick, because I do remember that I literally have a video talking about it right here. So just go ahead and watch that. So heading back over to the marketing page, you would connect your stuff, go into new post, and then you would pick which accounts you want, figure out your description. Normally I just go into ChatGPT and it just gives me a bunch of ones to rewrite. So Common AI, I'll send you the link, and then what we're gonna do is go right here. This is the little video button, and as you can see, I have a bunch of videos already in here. And what you would need to do to get videos in here is just go to upload, and then wherever you saved those AI generated videos, after you've imported in the CapCut, you would just upload it in here, and then you would upload it. Let's just take Oh, which video? So a video like this, for an example, take that, upload it. You can go, since this is a reel, we'll go reel right here, and then you would just schedule post it, and then you are set. Now, once you have that, then it comes to the last and easiest step, which is just automate and repeat. So like I said, automate comes in when you have a little bit of money to invest or you start making some money, but repeating something, you can just do that manually. A lot of people have struggled with taking action, but it just starts by creating content. Just take the videos that I have for you and just start putting them together in CapCut, and you can start seeing results. If you want to see the whole process of me putting the videos together in CapCut, just watch this video right here once you get the digital playbook, and that will give you a better idea of what I'm talking about, but I'm sure you can figure that out. If you can't, I am available here for any questions, but that is going to be it for this video, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.